Africa has 26,000 kilometers of coastline and exclusive economic zones covering millions of square kilometers of ocean. Yet the continent captures only a small fraction of the global seafood market. With overfishing in other regions, sustainable fisheries and aquaculture in Africa are attracting serious investors, from Norwegian salmon farms to Chinese port developers. In this video, we dive into the blue economy opportunity. I'm your AI host, and welcome back to African Market Insider. The blue economy includes fisheries, aquaculture, ports, shipping, and coastal tourism. It's a sector that could be worth $500 billion annually by 2030. We'll cover 1. Wild fisheries, hotspots and sustainability. 2. Aquaculture, the fastest growing segment. 3. Ports and maritime services. 4. How to invest, from listed companies to impact funds. West Africa, Senegal, Mauritania, Morocco, Ghana, ***, rich waters for sardines, tuna, and shrimp. Foreign fleets, EU, China, Russia, fish under agreements. Local processing and cold storage are needed. Southern Africa, Namibia, South Africa, hake, horse mackerel, and lobster. Well-managed fisheries with certifications, MSC. Namibia has a thriving fish processing industry. East Africa, Tanzania, Mozambique, Kenya, Seychelles, Mauritius, tuna, prawns, and octopus. The Seychelles is a tuna transshipment hub. Challenges: illegal fishing, overfishing, and lack of local value addition. Many countries are imposing stricter rules. Egypt, Africa's largest aquaculture producer, mainly tilapia and mullet. The industry is mature and export-oriented. Nigeria, growing rapidly, tilapia and catfish farming. Government support and local demand drive growth. Kenya, Uganda, Zambia, Lake Victoria and other inland waters are developing aquaculture to supplement wild catch. South Africa, mussel, oyster, and abalone farming on the coast. High-value exports. Morocco, Tunisia, sea bass and sea bream farming for European markets. Investment opportunities, feed production, hatcheries, processing equipment, and integrated farms. Ports, major port expansions, Lekki in Nigeria, Lamu in Kenya, Nacala in Mozambique, Tanger Med in Morocco. These facilitate trade and maritime services. Shipping and logistics, companies like Maersk, MSC, and CMA CGM operate in Africa. African-owned shipping lines include Grindrod and Safmarine, now part of Maersk. How to invest, listed fishing and aquaculture companies, Sea Harvest, listed on JSE, Oceana Group, JSE, Hake Fishing, Premier Fishing, JSE. Also aquaculture players like Nereus, Morocco, not publicly traded easily. Port and logistics stocks, APM terminals, part of Maersk. African ports are often state-owned but some concessions are listed, e.g., Tanger Med Port Concessionaire. ETFs, the iShares MSCI South Africa ETF, EZA, includes Oceana and Sea Harvest. Blue economy bonds/impact funds, some development banks, AFDB, World Bank, are issuing blue bonds. For accredited investors, funds like Althelia Ecosphere's Sustainable Fisheries Fund. Risks: overfishing, depletion of wild stocks harms long-term viability. Climate change, warmer oceans affect fish migration. Regulatory changes, quota systems and licensing can shift. Disease in aquaculture, highly contagious shrimp and fish diseases. The blue economy is still emerging as an investment theme in Africa. For retail investors, the most accessible entry points are South African fishing companies listed on the JSE, Sea Harvest, Oceana. For those with more capital, aquaculture projects and port-related infrastructure offer higher returns. As global demand for sustainable protein grows, Africa's maritime resources will become increasingly valuable. Have you considered investing in the ocean economy? Which segment, wild fisheries, aquaculture, or ports, interests you most? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe for more insights on African markets. Thanks for watching.